Burn 200 calories without moving. Here's how. You're burning calories right now, and you don't even know it. Yep, just by sitting there, watching this video, breathing, blinking, thinking, even digesting your last snack. Your body is working, even when you feel like you're doing nothing. This is the magic of T.D.E.E. That stands for Non-Exercise Activity Thermogenesis. A mouthful, I know. But here's the deal. T.D.E.E. is every single calorie you burn, outside of sleeping, eating, or working out. Walking to the fridge? Neat. Tapping your foot while you wait? Neat. Cleaning your room, folding laundry, pacing while you're on the phone? All neat. And here's the wild part. You can burn up to 200 calories a day or more through T.D.E.E. without even noticing. Now, you might be thinking, how can just existing burn calories? Well, your body is like a furnace. It's constantly burning fuel to keep you alive. Even basic stuff like maintaining body temperature, controlling posture, or shifting in your seat takes energy. And for some people, T.D.E.E. makes a huge difference. In fact, research shows that individuals with high NEAT levels can burn up to 2,000 more calories per day than those who sit still all day. That's almost a full day's worth of food, burned, without a single dumbbell or squat. Crazy, right? So how can you take advantage of NEAT? Let's break it down with some real-world strategies you can start using today. As always, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice. Okay, let's talk simple ways to crank up your NEAT. 1. Get up more often. If you sit for long stretches, set a timer. Every 30 minutes, stand, stretch, walk around, even just for a minute. That tiny movement spike adds up over the course of a day. 2. Turn chores into calorie burners. Vacuuming, sweeping, dusting. These aren't just tasks, they're micro-workouts. Even loading the dishwasher or doing laundry can burn more than 100 calories per hour. Crank some music, dance a little, make it fun. 3. Make phone calls your movement time. Pace while talking, walk in circles, wander your living room. A 10-minute call? That's 30 to 50 calories, burned just by stepping side to side. 4. Use active transportation. Walk or bike for short trips when possible. Park farther away, take the stairs. Even 5 extra minutes of walking here and there can lead to hundreds of extra calories burned per week. 5. Fidget without shame. Ever bounce your knee, tap your fingers, twirl your pen? Congratulations, you're burning more calories than the statue sitting next to you. Small, constant movements equals big long-term burn. And remember, if this sounds like stuff you could actually do, the quiz below will give you specific tips based on how you already live. Now, here's something that might blow your mind. In one study, researchers overfed people by 1,000 calories a day for several weeks. Some gained a bunch of weight, some barely gained anything. Guess what made the difference? Neat. The people who naturally moved more, even subconsciously, burned off most of the extra calories without hitting the gym. That means how much you move during your day-to-day life can matter just as much, sometimes even more, than your workouts. Let that sink in. This isn't about burning out in a workout class. It's about using the other 95% of your day wisely. Which brings us to a mindset shift. Start seeing your life as a chance to move, not work out, but move. Waiting in line? Shift your weight, bounce a little. Brushing your teeth? Walk in place. At your desk? Stand for meetings. Watching TV? Stretch. Do some light squats. Tidy up nearby. You don't need to find time. You need to reclaim time you're already spending. And hey, if you're wondering where to begin, just take that quiz below. It's fast, it's fun, and it actually gives you personalized advice, not random fitness trends. Now, let's address a common myth. Isn't it better to just do one hard workout and be done for the day? Not exactly. Exercise is awesome, but movement throughout the day can actually be more beneficial for weight management and long-term health than one short workout followed by hours of sitting. Think of it like this. A 30-minute workout is great, but if you sit still the other 15 waking hours, you're still living a sedentary lifestyle. T.D.E.E. breaks that cycle. So what does a high NEAT day look like? You might start your morning by doing light stretching. Maybe you take the stairs at work instead of the elevator. During lunch, you go for a 10-minute walk. You stand during a meeting, pace during a phone call, unload groceries, cook your dinner instead of ordering in, clean up, fold laundry. Boom, you've just burned 300 to 600 extra calories without setting foot in a gym. And those calories, they count. Over a week, that's 2,000 plus calories, basically an entire pound of body fat, all from just moving more. Still with me? Good. Because here's where things get interesting. When you start focusing on NEAT, it becomes a kind of game. You start noticing opportunities everywhere. You want to take the long way. You don't mind walking to get water. You might even catch yourself dancing while brushing your teeth. That's the power of awareness. And it creates a feedback loop. The more you move, the more energy you have. The more energy you have, the more you want to move. And it starts with one mindset shift. Your life is your workout. And if you're ready to find out exactly how to boost NEAT based on your lifestyle, don't forget to hit the quiz below. It only takes a minute, and who knows, it could be the easiest step toward better health you've ever taken. So yeah, you can burn 200 calories without running, without lifting weights, without even changing your clothes. You just have to move a little more, sit a little less, and see your everyday actions as calorie-burning opportunities. You've got this. Your body's already doing the work. Now let's level it up. And before you go, if this helped you, take that quiz. In 60 seconds, you'll get personalized wellness tips that work with your life, not against it. Because small moves lead to big results, and NEAT might just be your secret weapon.
Check out this next video about calorie deficit and weight loss, and we'll see you there. Also, make sure to check out that link in the description for our best recommendations when it comes to calorie deficit and weight loss.